Today, we'll show you how to use the controls on your Thermador under-counter refrigerator and freezer drawers. To enter off mode, press and hold the on-off button for 3 seconds. To resume normal operation, press and hold the on-off button for 3 seconds. Your under-counter refrigerator has an audible alarm to help alert you when a drawer has been left open longer than 2 minutes. To silence the alarm, close the drawer or press Alarm once. To turn off the door alarm function, press and hold Alarm for 3 seconds. To turn the function back on, press and hold Alarm for 3 seconds. The lock function locks the controls of your under-counter refrigerator, perfect for households with small children. To activate, press and hold Lock for 3 seconds. The lock LED will light up. No changes can be made to the controls or settings until the lock function is turned off. To deactivate, press and hold Lock for 3 seconds or until the lock LED light goes off. Your under-counter appliance is Star K certified. Sabbath Mode will turn off all non-essential functions, making it usable on the Sabbath or other religious observances. To activate, press and hold Sabbath for 3 seconds. The key press will sound once, and the display will show SAB for a few seconds. All control buttons become inactive except on-off. All audible and visual alarms become inactive, and the light will not turn on even if the door is opened. To deactivate, press and hold Sabbath for 3 seconds. All buttons, displays, lights, and alarms will once again become functional. The factory display setting for your under-counter appliance is in degrees Fahrenheit. To change your display from Fahrenheit to Celsius, or vice versa, press and hold the Fahrenheit Celsius button. The temperature in your upper refrigerator drawer is set to 37 degrees Fahrenheit. You can customize your temperature setting using either the plus and minus buttons or the Temp Modes button. For your convenience, there are also preset temperature modes: 1 bar, 2 fridge, and 3 pantry. The Temp Mode LED display will indicate the temperature mode that is set for the upper drawer. If you adjust the temperature of the drawers using the plus and minus buttons, the Temp Mode indicator button will automatically adjust to the mode that corresponds with that temperature. Bar mode sets the temperature to 34 degrees Fahrenheit. To activate, press the Temp Mode button until 1 is illuminated. The bar mode temperature can be adjusted between 33 and 35 degrees Fahrenheit using the plus or minus buttons. Fridge mode sets the temperature to 37 degrees Fahrenheit, which is recommended for perishable foods and beverages. To activate, press the Temp Mode button until 2 is illuminated. The fridge mode temperature can be adjusted between 36 and 40 degrees Fahrenheit using the plus or minus buttons. Pantry mode sets the temperature to 44 degrees Fahrenheit. This mode can be used for storing non-perishable food or beverages. If you live in a high humidity area, Pantry mode is perfect for storing breads, grains, baking flours, and more. To activate, press the Temp Mode button until 3 is illuminated. The Pantry mode temperature can be adjusted between 44 and 47 degrees Fahrenheit using the plus or minus buttons. When making adjustments in Temp Mode 3, both the upper and lower drawers are adjusted in parallel. In your refrigerator drawer, Quick Chill sets the temperature to 33 degrees Fahrenheit. This mode is useful for cooling down food or beverages quickly, such as when you are prepping for a gathering. When Quick Chill is activated, all other temperature buttons become non-functional. To activate, press Quick Chill. To deactivate, press Quick Chill again. Quick Chill will deactivate automatically after 24 hours, and temperatures will return to their previous setting. Your upper drawer has an aluminum partition standing up in place. It can be utilized as a shelf for chilling garnishes, yogurt cups, and more. Simply remove it and place it on top of these dimples. The temperature in your lower freezer drawer is set to 0 degrees Fahrenheit. You can customize your temperature setting using either the plus and minus buttons or the Temp Modes button. Bar mode sets the temperature to -5 degrees Fahrenheit. To activate, press the Temp Mode button until 1 is illuminated. The bar mode temperature can be adjusted between -8 and -6 degrees Fahrenheit using the plus and minus buttons. Fridge mode sets the temperature to 0 degrees Fahrenheit. To activate, press the Temp Mode button until 2 is illuminated. The fridge mode temperature can be adjusted between -5 and -1 degrees Fahrenheit using the plus and minus buttons. Pantry mode sets the temperature to 3 degrees Fahrenheit. To activate, press the Temp Mode button until 3 is illuminated. The Pantry Mode temperature can be adjusted between 0 and 6 degrees Fahrenheit using the plus and minus buttons. This mode can be used for storing non-perishable food or beverages. In your freezer drawer, Quick Chill sets the temperature to -5 degrees Fahrenheit. This mode is useful for cooling ice cream or sorbets back down to temperature after shopping. When Quick Chill is activated, all the other temperature buttons become non-functional. To activate, press Quick Chill. To deactivate, press Quick Chill again. Quick Chill will deactivate automatically after 24 hours, and temperatures will return to their previous setting. The lower drawer of your under-counter combo refrigerator and freezer has an automatic filtered ice maker that produces crescent-shaped ice cubes. Once the unit is plugged in and powered on, the appliance will activate the ice maker and the ice light will illuminate. To deactivate your ice maker, press Ice. You will hear a sound, and the ice light will turn off. To reactivate, press Ice again. You will hear the sound, and the light will re-illuminate. When the ice maker is being used for the first time, after a long period without use, or after a water filter change, discard the ice produced through the first 2 full ice buckets. Discard the ice, clean, and return the ice bucket. For the freshest ice, we recommend changing the water filter every 6 months at the minimum. After changing your filter, be sure to reset your filter counter. When the indicator light is illuminated, press and hold Filter for 3 seconds to reset. Thank you for watching. We hope you have a better understanding of how to use the basic controls on your Thermador under-counter drawers.